Yo, what's going on, traders, man? We gotta talk, man. It's y'all boy Jay Devar, and we gotta talk about Lucid Trading, bro. They recently just came out with a daily plan, man. So now you can have daily payouts once you get funded. So I'm gonna cover that in the video. That's gonna be the video for this week. But before we do that, ask you guys, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below what you guys uh think of the new Lucid, the new daily plan option that they have, right? So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, man. So basically, man, they have the 25K, 50K, 100, and it goes up to 150. So now you can actually customize this a little bit more. So now you have the option of an end of day or intraday drawdown, but however, this is only in the evaluation phase, right? But because once you become funded, once you pass the accounts, you basically the drawdown is intraday. I'm assuming that's how they're gonna mitigate their risk. Being that you can request payouts daily on these accounts, so they gotta be able to protect themselves a bit, so as to like not lose money, I guess, on the product, right? So that's just a way of incentivizing, not to be going too crazy with payouts and stuff like that. I'm not too sure if they have anything about like payout caps or anything. I could probably find that in like the FAQ or something like that because they'll probably have it there. But yeah, but yeah, man, and also pretty standard with Lucid Trading. Like they only have one-time payments, so there's like no monthly fees or anything that you got to pay. You got to worry about paying monthly for these accounts. They are one of the few futures firms that actually started out doing just the one-time payments or the one-time fees for these accounts, right? For these evaluation accounts, right? But just here we go. 25K account. Profit target is $1,250. Maximum loss limit is 1,000. End of day trailing or intraday. You can also have the option to turn the daily loss limit on or off, right? So the daily loss limit on the 25K account is $600. You can turn this off, and as you can see, me clicking that off, it actually changed the price a bit, so it increased the price a little bit more. Being that you turned off the daily loss limit, so if you want to be able to risk a little bit more on your account and to try to pass the account, you can very much well do that. But however, they are gonna that is gonna add on to the cost, right? But yeah, but if I take it back down, if I turn the loss limit back on, you see it takes the account back down to $85, right? And also too, the reset fee looks pretty similar to whatever the one time payment is. So yeah. Consistency rule is 50% across all of the accounts right here. So across all of them. Also too, depending on the account size that you get, the maximum size it determines like how much you can risk. So for the 150K, you get 10 minis or 100 micros. You can make money with micros. Don't ever let nobody tell you that you can't, because you definitely can make money with micro contracts, right? But yeah, for 150K account is 270. If you got the daily loss limit on, you turn it off. It goes up to 320. Also, too, let's see what the intraday. I think it went down a little bit. Yeah, with the intraday trailing drawdown, it goes down a little bit to 225. So if you're someone that scalps and you're okay with intraday trailing drawdown, that might be for you. That option might be for you. But me personally, because I'm more of like a swing intraday trader, I personally like the end of day trailing drawdown a lot better, right? Because I tend to hold my positions overnight. If I enter in like Asia, whatever, or into the previous day's range, and looking to target either a high or low or some type of other area of interest like a fair value gap or something like that of the sort. But yeah, um, but yeah, guys, like I said right here, nothing too detailed to get into. I just think that this is pretty cool that we're seeing more and more firms actually compete with each other and offering more products for us as traders, right? Especially with like a daily payout option. But yeah, because Lucid has already been pretty popular, especially since last year. They really took off from last year, and they've been pretty popular going into this year also. So Lucid, they've been really killing it right now, man. So yeah, funded rules. I think I showed the funded rules already. Yeah, intraday trailing. Daily loss limit and maximum loss limit is the same as it was in the evaluation phase. And yeah, and also too, the consistency rule is completely removed once you get funded with the account. But you get daily payouts, and there are no activation fees. Like I said, these accounts, they are one-time fees only, right? So you don't have to worry anything about activation fees or anything. But I do want to see if I can go and find. um, let's see. I want to see if I can find something in the FAQ about the Lucid Daily. Yep, here we go. All right, let's see. Payouts. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. So it looks like there is a buffer. There's a buffer balance. So let's see. Once you get the account to $1,100, right? Because I want to say that was, what was that? Okay, so the buffer is the daily loss limit plus $100. So in the case of the 25K, the maximum loss limit is 1,000 plus $100, right? So you got to get the account balance up to $26,100 before you're eligible to take a payout. Let's see. The profit traders must have positive net profit between each payout request in order to request the payout. So as long as you are positive net profit, or even just $1 between each payout request, you're eligible to take one. I'm not sure if there's anything about payout caps either. So let's see if there's anything. Also, too, it is a 90-10 payout split. So 90% goes to you as a trader and 10% goes to Lucid. Let's see. So buffer balance and net positive maximum daily. Okay, so here we go. Maximum daily profit. Lucid Daily differs from our other plans in that it doesn't follow a strict payout cap per request structure. Instead, there's a maximum amount of sim profit that can be earned in a day. If you meet, oh, okay. So this is interesting. So if you meet or exceed the daily amount, you are automatically moved to a live account, right? Wow, that's interesting. All right. So let's see. So the minimum payout request per account is $500. So you have to request a minimum of $500 once you're eligible for those daily payouts. Right, so you really got to run these accounts up quite a bit to be able to take a payout. Payout maximum is the amount of sim profits built above the buffer. Payout time and processing. Blah 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 blah. All right, but yeah. So basically, once you withdraw, so for example, on a 25K account, once you withdraw $6,000 altogether on sim, basically they're gonna move you over to a live account. So that's pretty interesting. Right, it looks like they're really trying to push moving traders to live, right? And yeah, so that's really interesting, man. Yeah, I'm not sure how you guys would feel about that. You know, if trading live isn't exactly something that you want to do with some firms, but I mean, who knows, right? I haven't personally made it to like a live account just yet, but if it was something I were to do like sometime later this year, I would definitely document that for y'all and put that on the channel for y'all. But yeah, so yeah, man, after you get $6,000 in sim profits or withdrew, they move you over to live. That's interesting. It's 8,000 for 50, 10,000 for 100,000, and 12,000 sim profits for 150,000. But yeah, so yeah, there you guys go. Lucid Daily. Overall, I think it's a pretty cool product. I think, like I said, I'm really happy to see that a lot of these firms, they're competing with one another, and and competition among them is actually good for us as traders. So, but feel free to compare this to like other prop firms that offer daily payouts. I know like futures. Funding Next Futures, they started with the rapid plans. They completely revamped their rapid plans, so they do daily payouts over there. I want to say who else does them? Who else started doing them? Tradeify, they do daily payouts now, and Trade Day still does daily payouts. So feel free to compare amongst those other firms, man. But yeah, overall, Lucid Daily, I think it's a good product. Like I said, competition among them is good for us. It gives us more variety of different products to try out, and also two different methods of like getting payouts, man, and like finding other platforms or finding rules that you can tailor more towards your own strategy, right? So yeah, there we go, guys. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. If you guys didn't stay and watch the video, I really do appreciate it. Feel free to comment down below what you guys think of the new daily evaluation for the daily payouts. Like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you're notified, and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I drop a new upload. So that being said, man, this is y'all boy Jay Davari, and we gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.